Oh my God, these are so good. Hey everybody, it's Lauren from Hot for Food, and I've got a Thanksgiving recipe for you today. We are going to be making caramelized onion scalloped potatoes, entirely vegan, entirely plant-based, no dairy. It's not heavy. It's not going to weigh you down for your Thanksgiving feast if you're celebrating. So I can't wait to show you how to make this. You're going to love it. But before we get too far into this video, I do want to thank today's sponsor. It's Blue Land, and I recently made the switch to using Blue Land for all my household cleaning products. These products are effective, convenient, affordable, and best of all, made with clean ingredients. All you're doing is ordering a kit, getting your bottles, which you'll have forever, and then buying refill tablets that come in compostable packaging. You can clean your house, your hands with this little nickel-sized tablet. All you do is fill these bottles with warm water, you drop in the tablet, wait till they fully dissolve before you put the caps on, and that's it. The first kit I got has a multi-surface cleaner, glass cleaner, bathroom cleaner, and the foaming hand soap, which I love. Of course, I'm in this kitchen all the time making a big old mess. I wash my hands a ton, so I go through a lot of soap and multi-surface cleaner. These are the products I probably use the most, but they have a whole range of things for laundry, as well as dishwasher tablets, dish soap, and more. So go online and check it out. All you have to do is click my link below and you're gonna get 15% off your very first kit. Trust me, make the switch to Blue Land. You won't regret it. It's gonna be easy, convenient. You're gonna love it. All right, let's get into this recipe. Creamy, vegan, caramelized onions, scalloped potatoes. Yes, the caramelized onions are necessary. They're adding so much flavor. They're adding a little bit of texture on top. We are gonna use cashew cream for the base. Now you could find recipes that use like a flour roux, those kinds of things, but honestly, nothing compares to using cashew cream in scalloped potatoes because you need it to be rich and fatty, right? It is scalloped potatoes after all. So you'll start by soaking cashews. You need 1 cup of cashews soaked in hot water for about 20 minutes. They just need to swell up and get soft so that they'll blend really easily. Next, you're gonna slice a large onion with a mandolin, so very thin slices. It's gonna look like a lot of onion, but when it caramelizes, it really shrinks down. Ideally, your pan that you're gonna do all this in can go in the oven to bake. If not, you're gonna have to do a transferring thing, but I don't recommend that. We can do this all in one pan. Add some vegan butter to a pan, and once it's melted, toss the onions in with a pinch of salt. And then to caramelize onions, you really don't want to touch them that much. Give them a toss, coat them in that butter, and then just let them start doing their thing. You're gonna monitor that heat. If you need to lower it at any point so it prevents it from burning, go ahead. Meanwhile, we'll finish making this sauce. So drain those cashews from their soaking water, throw them in a high-powered blender, then add more hot water. This is just fresh hot water. Add vegan chicken-flavored bouillon paste. This is like a stock paste. If you can't find the paste in a jar, you can also use a cube. We're gonna add white wine vinegar. You could also use apple cider vinegar, some nutritional yeast, sea salt, and ground black pepper. And then we're just gonna blend this until it's very smooth. You're gonna blend it longer than you think. That's why a Vitamix or high-powered blender is very important because the cashews should not be gritty at all. You're gonna clean and peel potatoes and then slice them very thin on a mandolin. I love using a mandolin for this. It's the only way to get them really even and thin. Here's your caramelized onions. They take anywhere from 30 to 35 minutes, but you wanna get them nice, golden, and even like this. Remove them onto a plate, take them out of the pan. Now add a little bit more butter and minced garlic and fresh thyme. You're just gonna saute this for a couple of minutes until it's fragrant. Again, keep that heat at a level where it's not gonna burn the garlic. Now toss in your potato slices. You can kind of do this in thirds just to get them coated in the garlic, butter, and thyme. And then lay those out evenly. They don't have to be perfect, but they should be evenly spread out in the pan and kind of layered. Now add half a cup of water to the pan and put a lid on the pan for about 5 to 8 minutes. This is just gonna get the potatoes a little tender before they go in the oven. Remove the lid and pour in all of the cashew sauce. And now turn the heat off the burner, and I just used my fingers and spread the caramelized onions all over the top in an even layer. Then you're gonna place the whole skillet in an oven that you've preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 30 minutes or until it looks like fully baked through. It won't really be bubbling anymore and it'll have a little bit of a crust on top. You wanna be mindful that you don't overdo the caramelized onions because they are gonna cook a little bit more in the oven. If you feel like they're looking a little burnt, they're definitely extra crispy, still fine, more flavor I say. The perfect side dish for Thanksgiving for the holidays coming up as well. Ooh, and I got my big portion right here, nice and steamy. I actually feel like the onions are perfect for me. They might be a little well done for some of you out there. Now I have a really popular scalloped potato recipe on my blog already. In that one though, it was a recipe which I made up, and a lot of you still make it. This is just a new twist. I like the caramelized onions added on top, and I don't add any cheese products. It's super creamy just with the sauce. So I've thrown this recipe on hotforfoodblog.com as well. So head over there to get the recipe, bookmark it. My membership, Eat It by Hot for Food, I also have some holiday recipes up there. The issue's called Easiest Holiday Ever. There's an easy vegetable biscuit pot pie. There's Loft House style sugar cookies, molten chocolate cakes that you make in the microwave. Can't get any easier than that. And of course, lots of other recipes as part of the membership and free ones on hotforfoodblog.com. So there's lots of content and lots of stuff so you can have a full-on Hot for Food Thanksgiving or Hot for Food holiday. So, if you make this or anything else, post it, tag me at Hot for Food, and I'll see y'all again soon. Bye!